Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous kimono abaya. So let's begin. For this project I'm using 3 meters of crepe material. You'll also need some trim of your choice. I've already folded my fabric in half and then half again. The length of my kimono is 59 inches long. And it's 30 inches wide on the fold. From the folded edge, measure in 16 inches and mark. Then mark 11 inches, and this will be for the armhole. Extend this measurement up to the width of the 16-inch point. You can draw a line to connect these 2 points together. Here I'm pinning the top of the fabric to prevent it from moving. You can go ahead and mark the width of 16 inches all the way to the bottom of the kimono. Draw a line to connect the points together. Draw a curve to join the armhole to the width of the kimono. Measure and mark 22 inches from the top of the kimono. Mark this at the width point. At this point, draw a circle using your hand to mimic a pocket. Alternatively, you can use a pattern which you can download online. Once you're happy, you can carefully cut out the pattern. Now cut through the top layer only. Open up the front as shown. Pin at the opening. From this point, mark in 3 inches. Pin the sides to secure. If you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. So cut 3 inches into the neckline. Then extend this cut all the way to the bottom of the kimono. And your kimono pattern should now look like this. Pin the sides. Now I realize that the pocket is positioned too low, so I carefully cut this out. Repositioned it 4 inches above. Then I went ahead and pinned the top pocket onto the top pattern, right sides together. Then did the same thing to the lower pocket, to the back of the pattern, right sides together. This is how the pockets should now look, and this is where we will top stitch later. Now repeat for the other side. Now at the sewing machine, begin by hemming the armhole. And this is how it should look. Now pin the sides together. Repeat for the other armhole. Then go ahead and pin the right sides together. Next, go ahead and stitch the pockets in place. Once you've stitched the pockets together, you can go ahead and align the sides and pin them together. Now go ahead and stitch the side of the kimono. Take your time and carefully stitch around the pocket. This is how it should look. Now go ahead and repeat for the other side. And this is how the pocket should look. You can then go ahead and hem the front opening. And hem the bottom of the kimono. Now carefully take your desired trim and place it around the front opening and also around the armhole. Pin these to secure in place. And this is how it should look. And repeat for the armhole. Now carefully stitch all of these into place. Once you've done this, that completes your kimono, and here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow, and I'll see you next time.